What are the objectives of the portfolio management? What are the objective? The management portfolio is security, safeguard of principal amount. Sir, I have paid in 1 lakh rupees principal amount. Okay. And premium I also paid. So this principal amount should always be safe. Stability of income. Growth should be in the upwards, not in the downward ways. Capital growth, share capital, share capital, security premium. These is the true things you get when we want to get into the company. After that, with this, you should increase reserves, not revaluation reserves. The reserves which is from the profit that should be increasing. Marketability. You have a share, buyers of the share should be there, and if anyone want to buy share, sellers also should be there. Such a way should market it. Liquidity, because this is what marketability and liquidity same thing, but there should be wide range of recognition of the company. If I want to liquidate, it should be viable for the shareholders. Diversification. You should go all over the world, not only NSE, National Stock Exchange. You want to go New York Stock Exchange also. You want to go there, London Stock Exchange also you should be there. All the stock exchange, our share should be diversified, and anyone can want to buy, you can buy. Favorable tax status. Favorable status na, like it should think if I want to invest something, I want to in can I be some kind of tax heaven. I want to start it. So any business we do, if we pay 30 or 40 percentage of our income to government, that is a revenue leakage. So rather than that, company should understand all the tax laws, all the country tax laws, and how to make more profit to shareholders. That is the objective of the management. Mhm.